Tommy and I decided to go on our first camping trip since being in Sydney. It's our first camp.
Is it? No. Is it?
I feel like this could be our first camping trip away since being in Sydney. We've been here since February, that's like half a year. It's October. That's bad if this is our first camping trip. We just got back and finished work. It's now 7:20. Now we're gonna drive to this camp just north of Wollongong and south of the Royal National Park. And then we've got 2 days. To get the coffee on. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Skålisis.
Cool.
Tommy got these when he was on his trip with his parents because we lost one of them and then Tommy broke one of them. So now we have 2 again. They're so pretty. Quarry for the planet.
Right now. Also, how satisfying is it that everything goes right now?
Yeah, we got the bedding, got the pillows and cups and everything.
Oh, yeah.
I love it. About to hike up the Seacliff Bridge, which I've seen on Instagram so many times. The secret entrance is down there and we managed to park here. Look how stunning of a day it is. Actually in shorts for like the first time this year. Feels good. Made it to the top. Just got ready to go for a surf. We drove just south of the campsite we were staying at and we found some pretty good waves. So we're gonna go for a surf together for the first time in such a long time. So I'm excited and I've switched to Tommy's board because it's bigger. So yeah, I like Tommy's board a bit better. It's easier to catch small waves. It was too choppy and rocky for us. We've got our coffee, we're lying in bed and it's raining outside. It was raining all night, which was really cozy. But last night we drove to Jervis Bay beach, what was it called? Hyams Beach. And it was kind of cloudy, so like, let's just chill in the back for a bit. And we literally fell asleep for probably like an hour. And
with our legs out the side.
Yeah, and the door was open and then we woke up and we were like, let's just go back to the camping spot because it was already 6:45 and the sun was setting. So found this campsite here in, where are we?
Jervis Bay.
Jervis Bay, but it's like a sub.
Oh, we're in Huskisson.
Huskisson campsite. It's not as nice as the last one we had. It's just a campsite. Today we're not sure what we're going to do because it's raining. We're probably going to go explore the national park still though. Come along.
Got to make the best of the rain.
Yes. Oh, they might be hungry. Hey, mate. Hello. Stunning lookout. We're by Caves Beach. There's so many different beaches in this national park. We're on Murray's Beach and there's so many blue bottles that have washed up on the beach, and I got stung by one a couple of weeks ago in Manly and it's actually really painful, and the amount that are on the beach here is insane.
Look how many blue bottles there are. Those little dots over there are all jellyfish.
This is insane. Hey guys, good morning. It's 8 o'clock. It's Tuesday, so it's my like Saturday. It's my weekend and Tommy's as well. So we're gonna go on a little trip in Susie this weekend too. We went on one 2 weeks ago and we had 2 days off together. I'm currently like charging all my cameras and batteries and trying to clear some of my memory cards so I've got some space on this camera, because last time I was just using my phone, but I prefer using the camera just because of the quality and the sound, I think. Even though the phone's great, but I just like the look that the camera gives. But today we're gonna go up north instead of going south, and we're gonna go above Palm Beach to a little area. I can't exactly remember what it's called, but I'll let you know and I'll put it on the map here. This is where we're going. So we're gonna camp for one night and I'm really excited. So Tommy's just putting the bedding in the van. I'm just getting all my camera stuff ready. And yeah, I'm gonna start packing in some clothes as well, because I don't know what the weather's gonna be. It says it's gonna be rainy and cloudy, but right now it's kind of like cloudy and a tiny bit of sun. How'd you go? Are you excited for a weekend trip?
She's ready to go.
Oh, what? Not fully ready.
No, as in like mechanically the bed's done.
Before we go away in Susie, we're having some breakfast. I got some coconut yogurt, some granola. I had my coffee already. And Tommy's got avo and egg. Do you want me to stand on your back?
Yeah.
To crack it? Okay. For those of you who haven't seen this apartment, this is our little apartment in Manly.
You're not doing an apartment tour?
No, I haven't been filming much since we lived here because I've been busy working 9 to 5. This is our apartment, but we're moving in to a different apartment for Christmas on the 3rd of December, and we're going to be there for a month, and it's absolutely stunning. It's also in Manly. It's like right by the beach. So I'm excited to live there as well. But don't forget to use my code for the coconut bowls. We're in Coles getting some stuff. Got some tortellini again, typical lunch. Oatly, eggs for breakfast. It's still raining. We're at Somersby Falls and we made some lunch. Tortellini. Oh, we're at the car park. So we parked up by a lookout. What was the lookout called? Like Staples Lookout, and we're on our way to Tomo's Loop to make our way down to a waterfall. But it has been raining a lot, and a lot of the like reviews are saying bring hiking shoes, like parts of the track are like really hard. So don't know how it's gonna go. I'm wearing my new white New Balance shoes, so great choice. Don't know why I chose to bring these, but cute peaceful walk so far. We've not made our way to Tomo's Loop track yet, but we're on our way. So we just walked past the campsite. It was literally just a patch where you could pitch your tent. It's called Tomo's Campground, but there was a little fire pit. It looked really cozy if you have like a tent or a swag. And I think we're soon down by the waterfall. We could hear it before, but yeah, walk isn't actually as hard as I was expecting. But we're not there yet, I guess. Tommy's trying to find koalas. Found one. Found a koala. We made it to the waterfall and my shoes are no longer white anymore. And there are people here that are swimming, and I'm really sweaty now after doing that walk. But you pretty much have to get in to like see the waterfall fully past all the trees and everything, because it's kind of like blocked by trees and bushes. I do want to get in, but Tommy doesn't.
Becca's decided that she's gonna swim.
I think it'll make me feel alive.
Go on, you get in there.
Oh my god, I'm actually gonna hate myself after this. I forgot to film this section of the walk. It's really steep and rocky way down, but we're on our way back up now. After my swim, that was so nice and refreshing. This is the campsite. The campfire you can have. Looks pretty cozy.
Long walk up.
Yeah, remember when I said it was a really easy walk? That was before we did all the rock climbing.
Yeah, the walk down was alright.
Yeah, but even that, we did it in rain, after rain, so it was slippery, bring good shoes. I've like muddied these down so much. We're stealing the Wi-Fi from the boathouse here. I had to download some Netflix series and films because yeah, there's no signal here, which is really nice. It's going off in there. This is the area that our campsite's in. It's absolutely stunning. So we're just gonna take a little walk. We've got the mountains in the back. It's just like a tiny little beach town. Not even town. And I'll show you the campsite in a minute. It's absolutely stunning. It's got like a little picnic table, a little barbecue, and we're like right by the beach and right by a little lake as well. This is our camp spot, and this is our view. How insane is this? We literally paid $35 for the night for the both of us. Unpowered though, but still. Getting some pasta water, and the beach is right there. No duckies. Trying to chop my vegetables. Having some wine and some beer. Chopping the veggies for dinner. With some company, of course. Veggies. Feta is chopped. We've got the pasta boiling. And we've got some fake chicken. We found some old sweet corn from God knows how long ago. Must be when we were living in the van, like half a year ago, but it keeps forever, so we're gonna put this in as well. Coffee with a view. Good morning guys. So it was raining all of last night, which was really cozy, but now we've woken up and the sun is kind of peeking through the clouds a little bit every now and then, which is really nice. But yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast and coffee. Tommy's just in the van and making some brekkie at the moment. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to find some surf for today. We'll see. Maybe some nice walks. We just walked to the spot from our campsite. How stunning. We just had an awesome surf here at Yamina Beach. It looked like it was really small, but then there were some like big ones in the middle, and Tommy got some really big waves.
Yeah,
I got some green waves, some big ones. So yeah, very happy. And now we're gonna go to the cafe and see if we can find something to eat. We do have leftovers from yesterday, but feeling some fish and chips or something. We didn't film anything with the GoPro because we thought the waves looked too small. But we might go for another surf at some point today. The sun is still out and it's amazing.
Maybe we'll take you with us. For the
next surf. Stunning. We got dinner and with a view. We just went for another surf in Manly.
Now we are dead.
Yeah, now we're dead. Surf was quite good here in Manly as well. We got a few nice waves, and yeah, now we're just watching the sunset with our leftover pasta salad that we made the other day. Tommy's got a beer. And it's the end of our weekend, which is sad, but we're in Manly now at least.
Yeah, we made the most of those 2 days.
Yeah, it was a great weekend. Really loved Patonga. and the beaches around there was absolutely stunning. I really want to go back. It's got a really like nice vibe, chilled out vibe to it.
Yeah, that was
Love
insane.
it. Yeah.
It's like a really sleepy fisherman. It's not even a town, is it? It's like a village.
No, like village. Kind of like, just recommend it.
And the beach was nice.
The beach was stunning and quite good surf. Yeah, and the drive was really pretty as well. Highly recommend. Good morning guys, it's another day off here in Manly. Today is going to be 27 degrees and sunny. It's already sunny. I've decided I'm going for an evening surf with Laura. I'm going with Lucy and Brittany down to the beach, and honestly we've planned to meet at 10 o'clock, but it's been so sunny all morning. I've been like itching to get out, but I know that if I stay out from like 8 AM till 4 PM I'm probably going to burn, because the UV isn't like weak anymore. It's actually quite strong now. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna go try and find some sunscreen in the van and maybe like my water bottle to keep the water cold. But I just put my video on upload. I've had a shower, tidied the apartment a little bit. I'm gonna pack my snorkel and the GoPro because I'm thinking I want to go snorkeling in Cabbage Tree Bay again and see if I can find something. And yesterday was the first time I went in the ocean for a swim without my wetsuit on, and I had to go in twice because it was that warm. So excited, it's finally like summer and I'm playing summer tunes.